Once your new model is drawn, organized, and ready to go, it's time to import it into Live 2D and get ready for rigging. All right, first things first, let's import our model. What we're going to do is we're going to click File and Open and look for our PSD file. One of the first things I like doing when I'm working on a new model is organizing the parts into like different sections. So for this, I'm going to be using warp deformers. First things first, we're going to select all of our parts in the deformer menu, every single one of them, and we're going to click on this button here for creating a new warp deformer. I'm going to call it Entire Body, and we're just going to pop everything in there. I'm just going to continue this with all the other body parts as well, such as with the neck. I'm also going to do it for like the top of the body, the shirt, maybe the dress separately. Once that's done and everything's been put into its own little warp deformer, it really helps me find what I'm looking for and how to structure my file.